Good afternoon, children. I hope you all finished last week drawing. This week we will draw mushroom drawing. First put box margin, then down onwards you have to draw a simply pencil drawing. Lightly I am drawing like this one curve, and another one you have to join and do the another one curve. See, like this. Then in this one itself we have to draw a slanting line like this. Put simply dotted, then you can join. Okay. After that, in that top of the curve line, you have to put a like this, like a U shape. Down itself you have to continue and join the same side. Next, another one line will come like a oval shape. Putting oval shape, join the curve line. You have to touch in the first we put no oval shape, join in that line. After that, in mushroom like a door. This is cartoonic mushroom, no? That only like a U shape, and another one line nearby you have to touch. Then put one middle sleeping line like this. After that, here you put one like a window. Simply 3 lines and then middle one line. That's all. Next, this and all we have to put on 3 lines like a mushroom lines. Okay, after that we have to put a big circles. Alternatively, no need to draw closely. Then we have to draw a mud both sides like this, not like it will touch here also like this. Next, you have to draw a bushes like a cloud, like a cloud line. We have to put a bushes both sides. Now picture over. We have to start with the outline sketch. Take brown color sketch. First we have to finish the mushroom that slanting line, no? That and all we have to finish. After finishing the mushroom outline with the brown sketch, next you can take green for bushes. Only outline only we are using sketch. Next take light brown. Okay, mud, mountains, no, small, like a floor. That one we have to finish it with the brown. After finishing the sketch outline, the pencil lines, if you saw anywhere and all, we have to rub that one. Pencil line is there and all, you can rub it. After erasing pencil lines, you can color it. First we will start in upwards onwards. First you have to color, not in down itself. First mushroom we will give yellow color. After finishing the yellow color, in this circle you have to give red. Each and every circle red color. Fill it with the red. After finishing the red color in the circle, in this side of mushroom you have to give dark brown. We gave sketches, no? Same side. How I am giving, like that you have to give. Not fully covering. Little bit white should be there, like this. Next, this side onwards, near the standing line, this side onwards you have to give. This side also white, you have to leave little white, like this. Next, door. In the door also only this side only dark brown. Next, inside the door line coming, no, here and all light brown you have to give. Then only inside dark color and door side light color, different it will become. If you give you the same color and all, different it not there. After finishing the door, window need not give colors, leave white only. Next, mushroom drum you have to give orange. Don't give very dark orange, lightly. However you are given the sketch slantingly, like that only you have to give the crayons color also. Don't give dark, light only. After finishing the orange color, next we have to finish bushes. Bushes outline dark green, light green. Whatever sketch you are having, you can give. Inside dark you have to give for the bushes. After finishing the bushes, you have to give yellow ochre. If you are not having yellow ochre and all, yellow and peach you can give. Then this color will come. Fully all the sides like the same. However you gave that slanting line light brown, the same position only you have to give the same position. No need to give straight line, sleeping line and all, like a curve. Then you have to straightly give the color. After finishing the mustard color, take dark green, like a grass you have to put. Grass you have to draw a slanting line like this, same side. Then light green. First dark green we put left to right, next right to left, like this, near by near. One is big, one is small, like that you can give. If any gap is there, that also you can fill. Then in this down you have to give lightly yellow. Wherever the white space we are given, Where and all you can give yellow. If the yellow and green merging and all, it will come green only. This is wherever the place white is there, fill it with yellow. No need to put a darker, lightly give yellow. After completing the grass, yellow also we gave for the mustard color. Then next in this places, that and all like a sky, we have to give blue color for the sky. Wherever the white place is there, we have to fill with a blue color. Fully you have to cover it and give lightly. Only sleepy line shade. Don't change the shade. Now we finish the mushroom. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.